Guys, today we are trying Thailand snacks. I'm gonna eat and rate them one by one. Now, let's start. Fruit feed. This is how it looks like. I think it's mango flavored. I can't open it. I can't open it, guys. Wait, I opened it. And this is how it looks like. Wait, I'm just gonna go get some scissors. Alright, I got some scissors. Mosquito. It's full. It got strong mango flavor. It's a lot of fruit. And the fish are very small. Okay, down to the next one. That can just loose. It kind of looks like this. And it's chocolate. It smells like coffee.
Is it?
It's chewy. Again. It has the coffee flavor. I'm talking right now. It has a strong chocolatey of coffee flavor. After this, I need to drink some water. I'm finally drooling now. Candy, we have loose red again, and it's not flavored. It's hard. Not like that, guys. This is, I like milk candy. I don't mind my burp. Now the next one is some brownie rolls. I don't know how to say. I think I'm ready. It's brownie rolls, so Mama so weak. Yes. Alright, I think I got one. And this is what it looks like. So I forgot to do the lighting. The mango one, I give it a 5 out of 10. This one, I give it a 6 out of 10. This one, I'll give it 9 out of 10. Oh, and this one, 10 out of 10. It's so good. I just can't stop eating it. Okay, next one. Donut cake. Now what is this? Alright, this is how it looks like. Oh, it's cream. I will give it 5 or 10 because it's just a bit you should stuck in your tooth. And have a little bit of coffee flavor. Next one, Michi. I think that's what it's called, Michi. Because it's in Thailand. What is this? This is how it looks like. Now I'll try it. And fix it some cream, but there's nothing. For 3 out of 10. No cream. I just can't live without cream. Alright, the last one. Choco Bite. Guys, I think escaped. This is what it looks like. That's some cream. 11 out of 10. 11 out of 10. It's so good. I have the cream. Just witness. It's very easy. So I have to finish it all by myself. Stay with my cousin Tom. I just can give him some of these. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And next time I will try more food. Tell me in the comments what country should I try next. I mean, what food should I try?